Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. He's here today. Yeah, this is a very much unplanned vlog. I'm just trying to vlog today because I'm going to vlog for tomorrow. We're going to somewhere tomorrow, somewhere fine. But today, we're just going to take some OOTD gitu guys. I'm actually contemplating whether I should wear this beret or maybe this black cap. Or maybe this white cap. Tak bagi, Ona tak bagi. It's okay. Cerita ke kita orang nak pergi mana sekarang? Can you please tell the crowd? Oh, ada orang main beam. Let's we play the beam. Tak nak. The beam is too pricey. Hari tu kita orang main berapa puluh ke dia? 40 lebih.
We don't play for 1 hour. We
did. Oh, 1 hour lebih kan? 1 hour and a half. Kan?
Apa kata kita naik 2 orang je.
Oh, beli pakai satu je.
Yes. Invite two.
Hanyalah. That's our destination. Tada. Dekat lagi tak gimana kan? We're just gonna take some OOTD today, maybe. We never know. Maybe I should change to black cap again because I'm gonna look funny like this. Let's change it. Okay, just like I thought, it looks so much better with black cap. This is not my cap. I'm borrowing. Yeah. Tengok ni. I don't know if you can see jap. Okay. Look, it's raining. Already predicted that it's going to rain. It's not that heavy, but I don't think we can, like turun and go do something because ada juga a few people that already went back to their car because it's raining and all. The probability to go home is very high because we don't know where to go. So we decided maybe we're going to not yet. We're still thinking. It's in our choice. Tak tahu lah nak pergi ke tak. Dia tiba-tiba macam so kita pergi apa loudspeaker. Okay. So we decided where to go. Punya fikir lah lagi pergi mana. Can you please respond? It's my vlog. Respond.
Rolling.
Kawan. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Tada! Penghabisnya kita orang nak pergi main bowling dekat Ion je. Because mula kita nak pergi karaoke dekat apa nama tadi? Loudspeaker dekat SS15. Tapi kakak cakap tempat tu macam padang jarak pada terkukuh. So like if we settled with our karaoke kan, we won't have things to do after that. So dia macam bapak pisang gila kan. So kita orang macam tak apalah, kalau Ion ada banyak tempat lagi, boleh pergi kedai baju lah, boleh pergi ni lah kan. Katanya lah. I mean, we already dressed up for the taman, but unfortunately it's raining. Now it's not. So we're just going to proceed with Aeon. Walaupun confirm ramai orang hari ni sebab it's weekend. Betul tak?
Yeah, absolutely.
Tengok je kereta kat sini. Look at all the cars. Look at all the cars. So many. We are heading to Mr. Daiwa. Kita nak cari stokin dulu sebab we're broke. I need to find section stokin, but I don't know where it is. So we have arrived at the sock place. Tapi tak tahu nak pick sock yang mana satu. I honestly don't know. I picked one, but I think I'm gonna change it. I found something cute. I'm going to take this one. Look, I picked a matching one for my sister and one for me, and let's go. One thing that I like about COVID, not like COVID, macam this real pandemic is I can wear a mask, so I have confidence to vlog, Because like, look at me, I'm vlogging right now. Unbelievable, honestly. We are here, Alam Lanes. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm going to wear my socks now. Yeah, we finally decided to play bowling. Satu game je kot. 2? Or maybe 3? I want you guys to look at my socks. Look at that. Look at the detail. So cute. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Fine. I have to take her picture as usual. to deal every time I go out with her. I finished up my pictures. Our photographer here. Stop. Itu gambar dia. This is the one that I took. Tengok beza dia. This is what I took versus this is what she took of me. Like, okay lah. I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. Maybe just not as Instagrammable as I thought it would be. And there are a few guys sitting beside us. I am so awkward now. I'm gonna end the vlog. Bye. We are on our way to take our shoes. Kaya na tu? Mana?
Hari tu kau nak pakai kasut? Saya siapa?
Pat. Kaki tu kecil kan? We are here at our lane. Kau tengok dia tak nama apa? Go kakak, go, go. Oh, I cannot. Excuse me. I am so bad at this. I want to cry. Look at the difference. What is that? She's a sports guy, but I did not record her, so it's like no one's gonna believe that she did 2 strikes today. I rasa second round ni I kena baca bismillah banyak.
Second round mesti menang dah. Kakak pula kalah.
I don't think so. Guys, look, I got another pair. Oh, it's not because I tak pandai main, okay? Just bola kasi licin. I accidentally baling the bola. Like, no, like, it's not like lempar, you know, like baling, campak. Like, ada free fall motion. This is like last shot of it. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. What strike?
The ball is good.
I already took on my kasut, but I'm still gonna wear my socks. We're still going to wear our socks because it's cute. Let's go. Kasut I size 5. Kakak, tengok kasut size kakak. Ya, dia pakai size apa? Dia pakai size 4. It was 50-50 fine. 50 regret. Adalah I have to pay. Alah, it's not my fault. Salah lane, salah bola. Okay? I look swag. Kakak. Okay, no. Never mind. Oh, tengok ni. Astaghfirullahalazim. Tengok ni. It's a mochi. You know what? Like my 2016 self is going to scream. Look at that. Wait, banyak lagi ke? Is it? Oh, tak.
Okay.
Wait. I could not find anything I want to get. And kita orang rasa macam nak tebik. Kita rasa macam nak tebik atas ni. Look at all the people.
Where are you going?
Tak tahu. Where are we going? Nak ambil makanan ke?
Tak, kakak tak nak.
Okay. Look at all the tops. Oh, this is not for me. But like, look. They're so cute. Okay. Korang yang small size mesti suka gila kat sini. Look at this. It's so cute. Like all the outfits are so cute. I'm going to cry. This is only 40 ringgit. I should have got this one instead. Look at this. It is so cute. Like look at that. Ada macam small vest. Collection H&M kali ni cantik gila. Dekat area, I don't know why, but dekat H&M dekat yang Shah Alam memang cantik gila. I pergi dekat H&M kat tempat lain tak cantik. Seriously. We are now at Kaisen. I'm gonna find something. Lepas tu balik aku. What are you doing? Apa tu? Kakak, jangan trap dia. Apa tu? Oh, I got the item.
Okay.
Let's go.
Duduk yang beratur lah.
Oh, Tengok, guys. Kasi nak ada jujur sekai sampai. But I don't have the money. I don't have the money for the jujur sekai and t-shirt. Di masa itu punya dah keluar sebenarnya. I cannot buy it. I don't have money. It's enough money for today. We are heading back. We got our stuff. We parked our car outside.
I feel like macam orang yang baru bangun tidur, berjalan keluar pakai topi.
Like what? It's cute. It's currently 7:39. We're going back home. Actually, I have a test tomorrow though. I have to finish my group assignment, so it's going to be a lot of work balik ni. And then you guys can ikut vlog tomorrow lah. Stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, okay? I think I'm gonna end the vlog here sebab battery phone I dah habis tau, and I'm so tired. I nak kena buat banyak kerja like I said in the previous clip. So I'm gonna see you guys on my tomorrow's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and please give me a feedback because I dah lama gila tak vlog. And yep, bye bye. See you guys tomorrow.